Are you an NGO or trust struggling with DARPAN ID registration? It's a unique identification number issued by the Government of India, essential for accessing government schemes and financial services. Your bank is asking for it because, without a DARPAN ID, your trust bank account could be frozen. It's crucial for opening and maintaining accounts, registering on NGO portals, availing grants, and ensuring compliance with regulations. But why is the registration process so challenging? Many face repeated login errors, blocked accounts, and mismatches with Aadhar or PAN details. If you've encountered the dreaded "your account has been blocked due to multiple invalid attempts," you're not alone. That's where we come in. We can get your DARPAN ID in less than a day, or Takal in 3 hours, resolving common errors like blocked accounts. Our service is fast, affordable, only a third of what auditors charge, and reliable across all states in India. We handle Aadhar and PAN verification, MPN code setup, trustee profile creation, affidavit support, and error code fixing. Plus, your data is 100% safe with us. Don't risk losing access to your bank. Get your DARPAN ID registered today, the smart, fast, and trusted way.